A very good news to all those aspirants who are waiting for assistant professor post in all subject like in science, commerce, mathematics, for social science, humanities, etc. So, guys, let us discuss about the most important today's vacancy in Regional Institute of Education Bhubaneswar, which is National Council of Education Research and Training (NCERT), Sachivalaya Marg Bhubaneswar. Rightly, it is announced in 16th of July 2021 that around more than 30 posts are there in various subjects specific to various subjects. This is for contractual engagement of the following section like section 21, 22. It can be extended for more years. It is depend on the nature of the appointment, but till now it is contractual. So only shortlisted candidate will be communicated for the interview for the selection or preparation of the panel engagement. So guys, if you really wish to apply for this post, let us see what is the details, educational qualifications, how can you apply, and many things related to that. So the various subjects like physics, mathematics, zoology, botany, chemistry, Hindi, Odia, geography, assistant professor in the various subjects. Then assistant professor in education like pedagogy of physical science, pedagogy of biological science, pedagogy of mathematics, and pedagogy of social science, pedagogy of language in various languages like Hindi, English, and Odia. There is three posts for that, and education. There is two posts. So all around more than 30 post is there. So the consolidated pay scale is like to be 45,000 per month, and the age limit as per the UGC NCRT Government of India norms. So guys, if you have all these qualification, like the main qualification for that is for assistant professor, good academic record defined as the university level 55% mark. You should have to score at least minimum 55% mark in your MA degree, master degree in any recognized university in an Indian university or equivalent to degree from an accredited foreign university. If you are doing your masters in all this one of the subject above mentioned, then you are eligible to apply for this post. Besides fulfilling the above qualification, Jackie, the most important qualification and most criteria eligibility criteria regarding this is master degree. Apart from that, the candidate must have cleared the national eligibility test, जो कि है हमारे नेट conducted by UGC and CSIR. Then or similar test accredited to UGC like SLET, SET, state level जो कि होते हैं state code education eligibility test. Then it is relevant to the subject who are for have been awarded a PhD degree in accordance with the University Grant Commission minimum standards for procedure of award MPhil PhD degree. Then Regulation 2019-16. They are exempted from a NET, SLET or SET. Those who have their PhD degree, if they don't have NET, SLET, GET or any related to eligibility, lectureship eligibility test, they are exempted from it. So if you have you only post graduation and master degree, you have to qualify the NET or SLET or SET. Otherwise, if you have master degree with your PhD, you don't need to clear UGC NET. It is not mandatory. Okay, and this is the criteria for मास्टर जो कि हमारे असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर. Then provided the candidate register for the PhD degree program prior to July 11, 2009 shall be governed by the provision of then existing ordinance, bylaws, regulation of the institution according to awarding the degree, and such candidate PhD candidate will be exempted from requirement of NET SLET. This is related to the the gap. If you have PhD, then you don't need to be mandatory of getting NET SLET or SET. This is relating to that only. Then the PhD degree of the candidate has been awarded in a regular mode. आप एक regular mode में PhD करी हो तो you are eligible for the post. And PhD thesis has been evaluated by at least two external examinators. At least आपके PhD जो थेसिस हो, दो एग्जामिनेशन, एक्सटर्नल एग्जामिनेशन के एग्जामिनर के द्वारा इवैल्यूएटेड हो, then an open PhD viva voice of the candidate has been conducted. एक open PhD viva voice conduct हो तो it will be considered as a PhD, valid PhD degree. Then the candidate has published two research papers from his or her PhD work, out of which at least one is in a referred journal, जो कि आपके CSR, UGC and Scopus index journal में publish हो, then it will be considered as a PhD, complete PhD degree, or otherwise it is not. There should be at least two research paper. Then candidate has presented at least two papers based on his or her PhD work in reference to seminars sponsored, funded, or supported by UGC, ICSR, and CSIR, or any similar agency. Then fulfillment of the condition certified the registrar or dean authentic academic affairs of the university concerned. This is related to if you have your PhD degree, then you can have all these things with you. Otherwise, your PhD degree will not be considered as it. Okay. Otherwise, you can apply if you have only masters with your NET, SLET, or SET. Then NET, SLET, or SLETs are not be required for such master program in discipline for which is not conducted by UGC, CSR, same test accredited by UGC, like SLET and SHET. Then desirable qualification क्या है? B.Ed, M.Ed or equivalent degree for all post assistant professor. Then preference will be given to candidate who specialize in respective methodology subject for the post of assistant professor in education. Then interested candidate जो है they can fulfill all the qualification required to send the hard copy of application attached to self-attested photocopies of marks, certificate, experience certificate, and one passport size photographs. You can duly fill the biodata, filled in biodata. Then only shortlisted candidate will be interviewed. Interested candidate may send their applications to Administrative Officer, Regional Institute of Education, Bhubaneswar, Sachibalaya Marg, Bhubaneswar, 7510222, latest by 30th July 2021. So it is around, you have to fill up the application form and posted send it by post, or hard copy of your all photocopies of your certificate, mark sheets, experience certificate, and your one passport size photograph. This is needed if you are going to be shortlisted, then they will contact you by through your phone or mail, then you can be appeared in the interview. So this is all about a very constant, like confined vacancy related to Regional Institute of Education, Bhubaneswar. So if you are really interested to apply for the post, you can apply. This is all about the post and its vacancy. And if you want to know more, you can also go to the websites of RI Bhubaneswar. It is there in a website. You can find all these things related to that. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best for your exam.